Welcome to our tutorial on how to make a button label appear as an icon in Gmail on your PC. By default, Gmail displays button labels as text, but if you prefer a more compact and visually appealing interface, follow these simple steps to change the button labels to icons. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Gmail. Launch your Gmail account by visiting the official website and signing in. Step 2. On the top right corner of the screen, click on the Settings icon. It looks like a gear. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, select See All Settings. This will take you to the Settings page. Step 4. On the Settings page, locate the Button Labels section. Step 5. Next to Button Labels, click on Icons to change the labels from text to icons. By changing the button labels to icons, you can enjoy a more streamlined and visually appealing Gmail interface, making it easier to navigate and use. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks to enhance your Gmail experience.